Hi everybody, I'm Keiko, and today's assignment is this. I use World Language and Culture Standard, and this is goals here, and then I use this beginning level. Let's go together how to find the Japanese language and culture lessons. Here is PBS Learning Media. And we're going to go down, 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 down. Here you go. World languages. World languages here. Go Japanese. Great. Resources. And here some, actually many languages lessons. And this is culture. So let's go hit this, for example. There are many lessons, and then these language activities are around 30 minutes long, and they use Japan located simulation and situation learning approaches. I found those Japanese lessons introduced about 10 new vocabularies and focus on pronunciation and culture in that situation. I liked those videos that created fun to watch and repeated words. And especially these learners automatically feels collaborated with peers in that video. However, I noticed that they don't have any self-evaluation activities, so I can make more some those, and they also need different situations, more activities, so definitely need improvement. So for example, here is my list that can create profound learning or assessment activities. I can make a voice record using those resources and quizzes for understanding using those resources, and I can give them more productive guided feedback, and also created more challenged lesson with different settings but the same vocabularies. In my conclusion, a standard-based environment does not control teachers' creativity. Teachers use their creativity in the classes every day for their students. Creativity is a teacher's most powerful tool. Thank you for watching.